pretty simple recipe. I have all my ingredients together and we're just gonna add everything to a food processor. So we're starting with about a cup of apricots. So we'll throw those in. We'll just blend those for a few seconds. Make sure they get nice and sticky, and then we're really just gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So we have about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So it's gonna be 100% pure vanilla extract. Throw a couple more of these in. Some oats. This is gonna be about a half a cup of rolled oats. We will do a cup of coconut. So this is just big shredded coconut, or coconut flakes, and then we're gonna do some almond butter. So this is really gonna help for everything to stick together. And when looking for any nut butters, just make sure you look at the ingredients and make sure that you're just having maybe almonds, or if it's just peanuts, or even cashews. This is just gonna be a simple, all natural almond butter. So we'll put everything in together, and then we're just gonna blend it up. Okay, everything's blended together. It should be a nice little sticky consistency. And then we're gonna pour it right into maybe a cake pan. So it doesn't really need to be greased. The almond butter and everything in the bars really don't stick too bad, and then we'll put it in the freezer to let everything harden. So throw it in. And then we're just gonna kind of mash everything together. So this is gonna be a little food bar that you can use as a snack. You can use it as like a breakfast grab and go, or even just a little dessert. So super simple. Make sure you mash it really nice and tight together. And then we're gonna just store it in the freezer for about 15 minutes or so. Make sure everything sticks really nicely, and then we'll cut it into little bars and serve. And it will last in the refrigerator about a week or so. So just kind of grab and go, and then stick it in the freezer. And 15 minutes later, we have our finished food bar out of the freezer. So we are just gonna cut it into slices so everything's gonna stay nice together. And you can cut it into whatever size you like, but just little bite sizes would be perfect. Then we have a finished food bar, which is a delicious snack, and you can keep it in the fridge for a good week at a time. So just put it on a little plate. You can put them in little baggies, or even have just for a nice little sweet treat.